Okay students, hello, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. Today we are going to study lesson 2 exercise 2.6 solutions. So this is the first question. Now since this is a binomial and denominator is 3x equal to 2, this 3x will move to other side, so it will become 8x minus 3 equal to 3 to the is 6x. So 8x minus 6x equal to minus 3 will become plus 3. So 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. That is the answer for the first question. Then similarly here, now take this binomial to the other side, it will become 9x equal to 15 bracket 7 minus 6x. This is the same thing that you did before, only you have to, here the binomial is to be taken to the other side, that is the only difference. So 9x equal to 15 sevens becomes 105, 15 sixes becomes 90x. Now 9x plus 90x, that remaining is 105. So 99x equal to 105. So value of x becomes 105 upon 99. Okay, so you can divide it by 3, 33. And this is 35. So value of x becomes here 35 by 33. This is the value of x. Now here again cross multiply. So 9z equal to 4 bracket z plus 15. Whenever there is a binomial or trinomial, you need to put a bracket and then multiply with the term outside the bracket. So 9z equal to 4z and 4 15s is 60. 4 15s are 60. So 9z minus 4z equal to 60. 9 minus 4 is 5z equal to 60. So it becomes z equal to 60 upon 5, that gives 12 answer. So z equal to 12. Here also cross multiply. So 5 3y plus 4 equal to minus 2, 2 minus 6y. So 15y, 15 4s is 60, not 15, 5 4s is 20 equal to minus 4, minus becomes plus, 2 6s is 12y. Now take the like terms, 15y minus 12y equal to minus 4 minus 20. 15 minus 12 is 3y equal to minus 24. So y equal to minus 24 by 3, that gives minus 8. So y equal to minus 8 is the answer for this question. The next one here is 3 7y plus 4 equal to minus 4 y plus 2. So 7 3s is 21y, 4 3s is 12, minus 4y, plus minus 4 2s is 8. So 21y plus 4y equal to minus 8 minus 12. Okay, this becomes 25y equal to minus 20. So it becomes, I need some space, so it becomes y equal to minus 20 upon 25. Do the cancellation. 5 4s are and 5 5s are. So it is minus 4 by 5 is the answer. So value of y will be minus 4 upon 5. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 6 is given as it is a word problem. The ages of Harry and Hurry are in the ratio 5:7. Okay. The ages of Harry and Hurry are in the ratio 5:7. So you need to find their present ages. If 4 years after the ages of Harry and Hurry are taken in the ratio, that gets equal to 3 by 4. So first we will write Hurry is to Harry is 5:7. So 5:7 ratio is given. So we will write like this. Let the present age of Hurry is 5x and Harry will be 7x. 4 years from now means after 4 years, Hurry's age will be 5x plus 4 and Harry's age will be 7x plus 4. And if we take the ratio of their ages after 4 years, it will be 3 by 4. Now let us solve this one. Okay, now this one cross multiply. So 5x plus 4 equal to 7x plus 4. So 5 4s are 20x plus 16 equal to 21x plus 12. Okay, now 20x, or you can say, you can take here 16 minus 12 equal to 21x minus 20x. Okay, this becomes 4 equal to 1x. That means x equal to 4 here. X is 4. You need to find the present ages of Hurry and Harry. Hurry's present age is 5x and Harry's present age is 7x. So Hurry's present age is 5x. That becomes 5 into 4 is 20 years. And Harry's present age is 7x. That is 7 into 4 is 28 years. Okay. So first write all these sentences given and then solve the equation. Question number 7 is given as, you have to find a rational number whose denominator will be 8 more than the numerator. Okay. So let the rational number n by d be the rational number. Denominator is 8 more than the numerator. So if numerator is x here, denominator will become x plus 8. Okay. Now they are increasing the numerator by 18 and denominator by decreasing by 1. So you get the answer as 3 by 2. So if the numerator is increased by 18 means x plus 18 and denominator is decreased by 1 means x plus 8 minus 1, you get the answer as 3 by 2. So you have to solve it here. This becomes x plus 18 upon x plus 7, since it is 8 minus 1 is 7, equal to 3 by 2. Now cross multiply. 2 x plus 18 equal to 3 x plus 7. Okay. So then multiply 2 inside the bracket. 2x plus 2 18s are 36 equal to 3x. 7 3s is 21. Now bring the like terms together. So 36 minus 21 equal to 3x minus 2x. Now subtract this one is 15 equal to x or x equal to 15. So what was x here? X was the numerator. To find the denominator, we have to add 8 to it. So you can write it here as numerator equal to x equal to 15. So denominator will be x plus 8 is 15 plus 8 will be 23. So the rational number will be numerator upon denominator is 15 by 23. That is the answer. Okay. So this way you need to solve exercise 2.6. These are the word problems and these are all the equations given. Okay. So now if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get There Math. That's all for now. Have a good day.